In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your target audience in Google Workspace. Understanding who your target audience is can be a powerful tool for any organization, especially when it comes to optimizing your communication and productivity within Google Workspace. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard of your Google Workspace. If you're not already familiar with this area, think of it as your control center. Everything you need to manage your workspace environment in one convenient spot. Once you're on the dashboard, focus your attention on finding the option labeled Directory. Clicking on the directory is your first step. This section houses everything you need to know about users within your organization, their roles, and how they interact with your workspace services. Next, once you've clicked into the directory, you're going to look for the option that says Target Audiences. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a section specifically dedicated to managing your audience groups. This is a particularly handy feature because it allows you to segment your audiences, tailoring communication and collaboration to meet specific needs or projects. Now, after clicking on Target Audiences, you'll be presented with a view of your current target audiences. This feature lays out a comprehensive look at who you're reaching with your Google Workspace initiatives. This section might list different departments, teams, or project groups depending on how your organization is structured. It's intuitive and really gives you a clear picture of your audience landscape. Additionally, if you find that you need a new group or segment that isn't represented among your current target audiences, there's a straightforward way to handle this. Simply click on Create a Target Audience. This option allows you to tailor your audiences even further by crafting precisely the groups you need. Once you've named your new target audience and defined its parameters, you can easily add members. You might bring in individuals based on their roles, responsibilities, or any number of criteria that align with your organizational goals. By taking the time to accurately set up and manage your target audiences, you're setting your organization up for success. This approach ensures that information flows to the right people and enhances collaborative efforts across your teams. And there you have it. Viewing your target audience in Google Workspace is that simple. Whether you're managing large teams or small dedicated groups, understanding these audiences is key to efficient communication and task management. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring all the features Google Workspace has to offer, and let it empower your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like these.